wise. Have he that dwell in the secret place? Yeah. Hey yo, this is Yasha Elisha representing for Real Man Sound. Link Up presents DMV Bad Power Sound Festival and Cookout at 12 p.m. until midnight. It's gonna be a night to remember. Hey yo, it's gonna be a night to remember. You won't wanna forget. Remember, Yasha Elisha says so. Clothes can't clean out your heart, don't clean dirty heart, can't stand up in the ways of the king.
Bless up, yo, this is Beware the Warren, you checking in. Yo, bless up all my DC family. Yo, especially Real Sound, you don't know, to them all the way up, way up.
That's a .com hour.
All the way up, .com.
All right.
.com, no.
Yeah.
Walk out to the stick, walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clad rich.
Fire Marshal, but anyway.
Airline sound up on the ground I represent, you know. Big up to all sound owners, you understand? Big up to all fans. You know we do it.
Well, Starline sound mix, but we no mingle. And Major Mackerel and DJ Tanny no get entangled with no farmer dirty bungle.
DMV Power Sound Festival right now on a Sunday. Full speed sound check-in. One breeze boss, number two, I hold there. It's a nice everything good. Just clock in. There, then full speed.
Yeah. Complex soundings, better than no sound. Complex sound, just throw some white down. Go get yourself ready, because you're coming with me. Moon is shining, the night is sweet. Come on, baby. Spend the night with me and do it all night. Saturday night, just do it all night.
So, you don't know Chin levels.
No, but that they can't reach the shot, yeah?
Yo, let's prove it.
You could buy me diamonds, you could buy me pearls, take me on the road, baby, oh, I'm worthy. You got to be strong, I'll do my best you can. So hard is up to that place, you got to wait too long. Yes, you got to be strong, I'll do my best you can.
Big up my DC people, Kalachi,
Yo.
How is Baltimore?
You know it go right?
Remember, you there on that side, breezy over here, sir.
Advil.
Advil, lock up.
You are gonna go on now, see? Oh, I big up every selector, every sound man with there. See, Paul, I will see you. Renner Stone, big up yourself, Prince Royal. Blue Steel there. See, Madras, big up yourself, you know, from them time till now. You understand? Vibes International and New Sound. It's for the next date. I tell Glamour G, say, you in a youth. Powered Sound, everything alright. Glamour G, big up. Super Rock, big up. Seeing High Volume, big up. Brazy, big up. Seeing Upsetter, big up. Big up every sound with there. Big up who no make it. You understand? Lego Bling. You know, I'm a general in a real life.
You know, big domino, low there and them things upon the ends. And then, what I know, and they pick them and them cook some bad food upon the ends. So, at that, me, I tell them.
Yeah. Leave me to the boss and tell you about some go on. I know what I go on. Real Soul Link Up presents
DMV Bad Power Sound. Yo, people, it a go crazy, it a go nice. Sounds like Full Speed Entertainment, Super Tremor, Mega Vibes, Amplex A Sound. My endorse that one there, I tell the people, one boss, one leave me to the boss. Don't get me cross, I mean, I cuss no bad word, you know what I say? No, me not gonna say that part. Make sure you do the boss are entertain that one here, and people, guess what? You never know, Earth ruler in the future, the big sound in the people them land. Be there!